been a while.
Yeah.
Kelly Rose, your dad's gonna take you for a bit.
What's up?
Nothing.
I know how much your mom, how much you heard about.
I know about the ranch.
I'm gonna be staying somewhere else. It's just temporary.
Mom says it's like camping.
How long you been here?
Right after the fires.
I know you feel like nothing right now, but to her, you're reborn.
Can you read it to me?
I still like it here somehow. Even though sometimes I wish I didn't.
What about when the trees die?
They come back too, one day. But you won't have a hay crop for 8 years. Do you know what that means?
Keep remembering things that are gone. Somehow, really miss those things.
And then what?
Begin again.